So, why don't we start with your name? "47.
I know you don't have any reason to trust me, but you're in danger.
Run! Move, move, move!
Look out!
You know why you're still alive? Because I chose not to kill you, but they will.
We were part of the same program. They want what's inside our DNA. The speed, the intelligence, the strength. They are the